Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video. Friends, today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we disable our aeroplane mode in our Oppo phone. Friends, you want to disable your aeroplane mode, so friends you can disable it. And friends, now let's see how to disable aeroplane mode in our Oppo phone. In this video friends, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you are in my channel friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel. So yes, now let's start video. Then first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to on to guys disable aeroplane mode. So as you can see guys, this aeroplane mode icon we want to disable, you can disable it. So guys, click on guys your connection and sharing option, tap here, and guys you can see guys your aeroplane mode setting. Guys you can see right side this yellow icon. So you want to disable your aeroplane mode, so as you can disable it. So we will disable from here. After 3 and 4 seconds guys, it will disable in your phone. So like that guys, you can disable your aeroplane mode from your phone setting, Oppo phone. And guys, now you can use guys your mobile data, and guys you can use whatever you want to use, which app guys you want to use, you can use. So like that guys, you can disable your aeroplane mode in your Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.